Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Kawasaki Z400 with ABS brakes. This lightweight twin cylinder just arrived with only 3,975 miles. Fuel injected twin cylinder with ABS brakes. Same engine as the Ninja 400, and this bike is in beautiful condition. Satin white paint. It's got a GV rack and a GV top case comes with the bike. We also have quick release tank bag and a larger touring windscreen to go along with this one. So make your Z400 naked dreams come true for just $53.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.